Hello, Chef Anna here. Welcome. If you're new, welcome. And if you're my regular followers, welcome back. And thank you for your continued support. Today, I have something rather fun and non-seriousness. I know cooking can be tiring and boring sometimes, but today I wanted to show you some of the things that I do beside cooking, and I have passionate about it. And a lot of you may not know these, but if you do, you know what these are. These are the round persimmons. This type of persimmon, it does not need to be softened to eat. You can eat it. These are ripened persimmons. Asian people always enjoy eating persimmon because it's something that not easily grow in Asia, but you find wide range of persimmon growing here. So there's different types of persimmons which I'm not getting to. Some of them are rounds and some of them are tinier, but this one is perfect size that I'll be using for my project today. So it's pretty, isn't it? I just love this already, this little design here already, similar to what I'm going to be doing today. So I'll be carving these persimmons, as you heard it right, carving these little fruits here. And you see why I'm doing that, because you're going to like the way it turned out. Okay? So it's going to be a little bit difficult to handle because it's small, but come and enjoy and go along with me. And if you want to try it, and I would recommend that you have the right kind of tool. So these are the common tools. I got this from Thailand. Yeah, you can order this on a network if they carry them. Okay. And then I have varieties of these also. Yeah, the different type of carving knife. Okay, so some of them look like this. And some of them look like that. Interesting tool. And then of course, carving can be very useful for those who like to put extra work into our cooking for embellishments or for decorations or just to impress your friends. Nothing wrong with impressing people with your skills and put on your food. People will love it and people wanted to know how you do it, right? I learned some of this cooking skill when I was in a refugee camp. While living in a refugee camp for 5 years, I have learned a few homemaking skills: cooking, sewing, knitting, crocheting, and carving. Also making flower out of crepe papers. So today, what I'll do next is to remove. I already carefully clean all this fruits and dry it. Okay. To remove part here, the stem and the leaf part. Wanted to get into the center of it. And the next things I'll do is just peel this.
It's all that carving tools?
Mm-hmm. I got from Thailand.
No way.
Just removing the core. You have to be careful handling this carving knife because, and yes, I cut myself before. That's why I'm saying. That knife should become my best friend. The divisions of 4.
people turn